This is what we do on a Thursday.
On a Thursday. We're bougie on Thursdays.
Yes.
Perfect. So I'll just need to see an email confirmation. The front desk is going to ask you for your ID, vaccination card, and your negative COVID test.
I got it. I feel so
daily detox juice, pineapple, pear, orange, ginger, aloe, and milk thistle. I'm gonna taste that. And then Khadijah's food came first. I don't know why my BLT is taking a year and a half. Oh, my BLTA is taking a year and a half. What is that? Kimchi fried chicken sandwich. Ooh. And an iced coffee. Yummy. See,
nice and thick.
I just don't know why mine is taking forever. They give you these little thingies. Oh,
let's see.
My receipt.
You're gonna need that paper.
She said it's good.
Baby. Is I'm hungry.
Either you hungry or it's just really good.
And the fries. See how thick that fry is?
Right here.
Again.
Got my BLTA, bacon, lettuce, tomato, avocado, French fries, and my detox juice. Okay.
Looking for love and licky, cause you promised to put it down. Wanna be a city looking for you, searching for you like. I came to your city looking for love and you licky cause you promised to put it down. Wanna be a city looking for you, searching for you like.
Ow! I don't like these rocks.
I'm gonna let you put it in.
The beginner ones hurt more than the... on the rocks. This feels so good on my feet. Really just walking on all the rocks. Massage your feet. We gotta go get our towels. And then walk back. You're gonna walk back on the rocks back.
No.
Why am I acting like it's so deep?
Oh, what did I just step on?
This is what we do on Thursday. On a Thursday. We're bougie on Thursdays. So we're gonna finish. We're gonna go in the bathroom. They have dryers, swimsuit dryers. What else?
You said showers?
Showers,
Soap, shampoo,
all kinds of things.
hair blow dryers.
Yeah. So we're gonna go home. I actually got somewhere to be, but we're gonna go home and then that's it for the spa. Hey y'all, good morning. I am getting ready to head to the nail salon because I need these bad boys done and my toes done. So yeah, we're about to head to the nail salon. My face is like extremely puffy this morning because I didn't really get too much sleep. My husband had to go to the airport this morning, so I took him there. So I'm a little bit tired, but we got some things to do. So I'm gonna go get my nails and my toes done right now. Let's go. So I just came back in from the store. It's like really late. I just want to take this makeup off and go to bed. But I went to Sephora because I wanted to do like some sheet masks and you know, like shave my face and all that stuff. So I'll probably do that tomorrow. Probably do that tomorrow while I have more time. Like, I was gonna try to do it tonight, but I'm just really tired. And so part of my maintenance upkeep routine is to get my face in order. So I got my face masks, I have my little razor so I can, you know, do my brows and stuff. I used to get my eyebrows waxed all the time, but I don't do that anymore. I don't know why. I just find it easier just to do it with the razor myself. So I do that, and then I'll do like my face team, stuff like that, so that my face can be maintained. So we did our nails, we did our toes, we did our body, we went to the spa. What else? I'm gonna do our face, and then at some point, I actually want to buy a new wig, and I want it to be more of like a fall color, even though, is blonde a fall color? I don't know, but that's what I want to do. I want to go back to blonde. So I want to buy a new wig, and so that'll be some hair maintenance, but that'll probably not be in this vlog because that takes a little bit of time for it to come. And I just want to put this one out. So yeah, I went to Sephora. I got my little birthday gift. So I chose the Lenée little set. And so it has the lip sleeping mask, water sleeping mask, and then the water bank moisture cream. So I actually saw these. I've seen a lot of people using the Lenée like lip masks and things like that, and I wanted to try them. So I actually get to try them for my little birthday gifts. The other birthday gift was like a NARS blush and lipstick, which that's okay. So I wanted to try these, and now I get to try them as my free birthday gift. So I got that. And then I just picked up some face masks. So I got 2 of the coconut ones, and these are for nourishing your skin, reducing the appearance of redness, and relieves tightness, and it's for skin that is soothed and more comfortable. So I got 2 of those, and then I got one of the pineapple face mask, and this one is to visibly reduce the appearance of pores, refine and perfect the appearance of your skin's texture, and it's for skin that's even and smoother. So that's the one that I have. And so there's pineapple and eucalyptus in this one, and coconut and eucalyptus. So that's what I've got. I just picked a couple of these up so that I have my little face mask to go with tomorrow. Yeah, I'm still fully dressed. I literally just came in, and so I wanted to show you guys what I picked up really quick, because I'm going to call it a night. I really have to start taking care of myself better, and you know, really doing like regularly scheduled maintenance on myself. A lot of times I just wait long periods of time. Like, I can't tell you the last time I actually went and got my nails done, you know, other than doing them myself. And there's nothing wrong with, you know, doing the maintenance yourself, doing your own hair, nails, excuse me, all of that stuff. That's totally fine. But I feel like sometimes I just need somebody else's hands to do it. The same thing like with my toes. Like, I've done them myself, but it's nothing like going to the nail salon and then professionally doing it. So I kind of want to make sure that I'm keeping up with myself. Like, y'all hold me to it from here on out, like that I'm taking better care of myself. Sometimes life just gets extremely busy and you're just going through the motions, and you know, you end up day by day until you turn around and so much time has passed since you've last taken care of yourself. And so it's a reminder to me, but also a reminder to you, to really, really take care of yourself and maintain yourself and love yourself, and you know, just making sure that you feel and look your best. So I need to just continue to do that on a more frequent basis and stop like forgetting about me. Yeah.